Europe's largest volcano has erupted. This is the Etna, Mount Etna, which is a stratovolcano, and in the island of the Sicily, in the southern Italy, in the Mediterranean Sea. This is where the Africa collided with the Eurasia, and the subduction of the oceanic crust of the Mediterranean Sea creates, when it is uplifted again, these volcanoes from here up to Vesuvius and further up near Rome. Even we have some volcanoes. Some of them are not erupting. This one is very erupting, around 3,000 meters, and increasing as the eruption happens. As you can see, it has a strombolian stage at the moment. When it erupts bigger, it becomes plinian, and that sends a column of the ash into the sky. At the moment, it's just these fountains of lava, which are beautiful. You can see it from the town. Any distance and town and communities around that area, it is visible, the eruption of it. And it's quite safe, actually, in that sense that it doesn't, we can almost predict how it is, how its behavior. When it is plinian, of course, it's very disruptive. But we already know it has been more disruptive than that. 5 stages of the volcanic activity, 5 different volcanoes were in that region, and this is the last stage. Even the continuation of this evolution of this volcano in our time is as such. You can see the central crater at the moment. It was not like that even just before 2021. We had a different structure. The geology of it looked slightly different. In 1983, the shape was like that. Now we have another hill. To the left, you can see that. 2021 is the current shape that we have and is evolving as the time goes by.